Since the microscope comes with instructions, we will skip this issue of inserting the battery and connecting the microscope to the power supply, and focus on its operation and functionality. For this purpose, we will use one of the preparations attached to the microscope. Place the preparation in the holder on the microscope stage. Once the specimen is in place, we turn on the microscope lighting using the button located on the back of the base. After a short while, after turning on the light, the image of the preparation appears on the screen. When the image is out of focus, sharpen it using the focus knob. If the image on the screen is too bright or too dark, we can adjust it to our own requirements. According to the manufacturer's instructions, the round button on the left side is used to change the intensity of the light source. But rotating it only changes the light intensity visible on the screen for a fraction of a second, after which the screen brightness returns to its previous state. But when we look directly at the light source and turn the knob, we can clearly see changes in its brightness. So, how can we actually change the brightness of the image displayed on the monitor? To do this, press the small function button on the right. From the displayed functions, we select the brightness function using the round button on the right by rotating it. The selected function has to be confirmed by pressing the same button. The screen brightness indicator appears on the right. By turning the same knob, we adjust the screen brightness to the desired value. Now, to return to the rest of the functions, just press the small function button on the right. Since we are talking about functions, it is worth mentioning them all. There are 8 functions: video resolution, photo resolution, exposure, brightness, contrast, sharpness, white balance, and quality. The quality of the photos and videos taken depend on the settings. Pressing the function button again causes all functions to disappear from the screen. Let's go back for a moment to the previously mentioned knob for changing the brightness of the light source located on the left. As we already know, changes in the intensity of the light source don't translate into visible changes in screen brightness. We can therefore ask, what role this knob plays? Well, the intensity of lighting determines whether we receive a motionless image of living objects moving in the field of view of the microscope. When the lighting is intense enough, the exposure time will be short enough and we will get a sharp, blur-free photo. The same knob is also used to switch the light source from transmitted to incident light and vice versa. This is done by pressing it. The MT3 microscope allows both photographing and filming observed objects. We select the shooting and filming functions by pressing the appropriate buttons on the front of the base. The selected image recording mode is indicated by the icon in the upper left corner of the display. To take a photo, press the button with the camera icon. To start filming, press the button with the video icon. Recording begins at this point. The recording time is shown in red at the top of the display. To end recording, just press the movie button again. Among the small buttons there is another one, which when pressed, allows you to enter the catalog of saved images and videos. Moving between individual files is done by turning the right round large button. The MT3 microscope has another very interesting and useful advantage. Well, thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi and a special application for a mobile phone, we can take photos and short videos from a mobile phone without touching the microscope. Thanks to this, we avoid vibrations of the microscope, which may result in blurred photos. Photos and videos taken in this way are saved both on the phone and on the microscope's memory card. Students can immediately send photos and videos to each other or to the teacher via phone.